Lesson 4, Creating Accessible Columns. Let's take a look at our campfire peach cobbler recipe from Lesson 2. Making this recipe a 2-column document can help create more white space and better organize your text. Let's put the ingredients and materials in the first column and recipe steps in the second column. Let's keep the recipe title and image above both columns to convey that they refer to the overall recipe. To format text into columns, begin by selecting all the text you wish to put into columns. In this case, the columns will begin with ingredients and include the full recipe. Next, select the Layout tab in the ribbon, navigate to the Page Setup section, and choose the Columns menu. The keyboard shortcut for this is Alt-P-J. There, you will find options that allow you to select the number of columns needed. Remember that we recommend you avoid using more than 3 columns. You now have 2 columns of text. However, as you can see, our recipe steps are broken across columns. In our recipe example on screen, we want the second column to begin with our steps heading. To adjust where the column breaks, place your cursor where you'd like the break to occur. In our case, this is right before the steps heading. Then, select the Layout tab in the ribbon, navigate to the Page Setup section, and choose the Breaks menu. Select Column. The keyboard shortcut for this is Alt-P-B. If your columns include a paragraph of text that is breaking across columns, you can prevent this. Right-click or use your Applications key in the column, select Paragraph, and navigate to Line and Page Breaks. There, check the box titled Keep Lines Together. Let's listen as a screen reader reads our recipe, now formatted into 2 columns. Listen to how the screen reader moves seamlessly from the first column to the second in the proper order.
Heading Level 1, Campfire Peach Cobbler. Peach Cobbler on Campfire in Dutch Oven Image Page Break. Section 2 Page 1 2 Text Columns. Heading Level 2 Ingredients. Level 1 Bullet 1 cup of sugar. Bullet 1 cup of self-rising flour. Bullet 1 29 ounces can of peaches in heavy syrup. Bullet 1/2 tablespoon ground cinnamon. Level 0 Heading Level 2 Materials. Level 1 Bullet about 5 pounds of match light charcoal briquettes. Bullet shovel. Text Column 2. Level 0 Heading Level 2 Steps. Find a safe place outdoors. Briquettes release carbon monoxide, a toxic, invisible gas to cook with the Dutch oven, and follow these simple steps. Level 1. 1. Stack the briquettes into a pyramid shape and light them in several places. 2. Combine all the ingredients in the Dutch oven. 3. Mix the ingredients lightly. You should still see some pockets of dry flour. 4. Sprinkle cinnamon on the top. 5. Place the lid on the oven. 6. When the briquettes are covered in gray ash, use the shovel to divide the pile in 2. 7. Spread 1/2 of the briquettes into a flat circle and place the oven over them. 8. Place the rest of the briquettes evenly on the oven's lid. 9. Cook for 45 minutes and enjoy.